Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. Most effective powerful spell in the world. Amulet for love talisman. Most, for example, agree to girlfriend, agree to boyfriend, agree to wife, agree to husband. Most effective love talisman in the world. The girl is gone by cheating you. The girl is back. The girl is leave you forever. The girl has destroyed your time, destroyed your feeling, destroyed your heart. The girl you have been eating money. The girl have blocked you. This talisman is back a girl 7 ocean, back a boy 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean. Most effective talisman in the world. I do black magic on this moon. I do black magic spell on this moon. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magical magic to me. Many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect the whole world quickly. I am black magic astrologist and herbal remedy spellcaster. My work, you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in 24 hours following. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp number +923305919192. Please visit my website www.talismiamliaz.com and you can order this talisman from me. Fiverr ID link in description. You can order Fiverr and your work will done 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Most effective powerful spell in the world. And so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number for any spiritual problems. Love spell, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back husband, ex-back wife, money spell, marriage spell, court case spell, ex-back spell, good luck spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cost out course spell, promotion in work spell, protection spell, voodoo spell. Most effective love talisman in the world. How to make this talisman? Make it boxes and then write numbers, order in separate boxes. For example, you are a boy, agree to girlfriend, your name, your mother name and lover name, Allahu lover name and lover mother name. This talisman is your complete. How to use it? This talisman 21 printout. 21 printout, daily burn, daily to burn this talisman with name. First tomorrow 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. between burn one talisman, and second burn talisman 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. burn. Daily to burn this talisman, and back a girl 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean. Most effective powerful spell in the world. So the best talisman in the world. If you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number +923305919192. Please share my video on your friends.